Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see why and which types of bars are used in construction industry. Now first of all we see why bars are used in construction industry to add tensile strength to the concrete to form the structure. Concrete is ductile in nature. If large load is coming onto it, it will break into parts. Concrete is weak in tension and good in compression. Addition of bars, we are increasing tensile strength of the concrete. Addition of steel bars, we can form concrete into any shape. We will see types of bars which are used for structure. There are 5 types of bars. First is hot rolled deformed bars. Second is cold rolled steel bars. Third is mild steel bars. Fourth is twisted steel bars. And fifth and last one is welded steel bars. Now first one is hot rolled deformed bars, also known as TMT or thermomechanically treated bars. These bars possesses ribs on body as a circular ribs, or you can say rings also. These are high quality bars which are mostly or widely used in construction. These bars are of superior quality which provides very good bonding between cement and concrete. These bars possesses high quality tensile strength which is up to 64,000 square per square inch. Mostly these rings are used for better grip in between concrete and these bars. If normal bars are used in concrete like without grips, then bars will slip from the concrete and structure will fail in the future. One bars is cold rolled steel bars. Rolled steel bars look similar as hot rolled bars, although these are made at room temperature. Bar consists of poor strength and can be easily bendable, which is not feasible for structure. Cold rolled bars are almost obsolete from the market, though these are used for some constructions which requires lesser load and which are not permanent. Carries tensile strength up to 60,000 psi. The type of bar is mild steel bars. These bars does not possess any ribs or rings. This bar comes with plain surface and round shapes. Mild steel bar does not bond well with concrete and it is poor in quality. That is why it is used in small projects with budget constraints. Mild steel bars are used in RCC for beams, slab, etc. The tensile strength is up to 40,000 psi. Fourth type of bars is twisted steel bars. Twisted steel bars are also known as pre-tracing tendons, which are used for bridge or culverts also. These bars comprised of different wires. Almost 7 wires are spun together into the strand. These bars are mostly used as tendons in bridge construction, which are pre-tensioned or post-tensioned. The above image shows the twisted bars. Twisted steel bars carries tensile strength up to 270,000 psi. These are mainly used in braces of scaffolding, bridge construction, culverts. For pre-tracing, this bar possesses high tensile strength, which is used for high load carrying capacity structures like bridge. And last type of bars are welded steel wires. Welded steel wires consist of weld mesh. It produces medium to low tensile strength. These bars are used in partition or fencing or welding works. These bars are available in different diameters and the strength in higher than mild steel bars, which is why it is widely accepted for particular segment in construction for better efficiency. It is important to know the thermomechanically treated bars, which is TMT bars, are widely accepted worldwide for its high tensile strength. TMT bars not only provide strength but it is flexible enough as well. That is why it gives maximum protection during any natural disaster such as earthquake, flood. TMT bar consists of less amount of carbon, that is why it is less fatigue and highly corrosion resistance as well. Now there are different types of bars, or we can say grades of steel bars, which which are suggested by IS standards. There are 3 grades of steel bars, which are divided into 2 parts. First one is mild steel bars, and second one is HYST bars, which is also known as high strength deformed steel bars. First mild steel bar consists of Fe 250 bars. Second grade is HYST bars, in which first is Fe 413 and second is Fe 500 bars, where Fe denotes iron percentage and 250, 413 and 500 denotes each cent of the bars in megapixel. Fe500 is the bars which are most widely used in construction industry due to its perfect combination of strength and flexibility. Sorry for the bad audio quality. We'll try to improve it in the further videos due to highway near our house. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.